Materials required for a beam of laser light are glass beaker, laser pointer, water, milk, spoon and dropper. Take one glass beaker. Put 1 glass of clear water on the glass beaker. Now pass the laser pointer to the clear water beaker. Observe whether the beam of laser light can be seen or not on the clear water beaker. Take 1 glass of milk. Add a few drops of milk on the clear water beaker by using a dropper. You can use the spoon also when you add a few drops of milk on the clear water beaker. After stirring milk and water on the beaker, the water becomes turbid. Now pass again the laser pointer on the turbid water. Observe whether the beam of laser light can be seen or not on the turbid water. Observe the images of difference between a beam of light passing through the clear water beaker and the turbid water beaker. When you pass the laser pointer through the clear water beaker, the beam of laser light cannot be seen clearly. When you pass the laser pointer through the turbid water beaker, the beam of laser light can be seen clearly. This shows us the difference between the laser pointer passing through the clear water beaker and the turbid water beaker. Students must practice and try this experiment at home.